Hi my friends and welcome. Today I want to share a little grounding practice with you. There are so many times that we're constantly out and about, stressing, just going through the day, going through the motions and not taking the time to just stop and reflect and feel what's going on inside of us. So this is about a 5-minute practice just for you to ground yourself. No hocus pocus. It's just you listening, tapping into your body, and I'm going to be guiding you through this. So start by finding a position that works for you. You can also do this sitting down in a chair. You can do this lying down in bed, whatever works for you. So let's start off by, if you're sitting up, place your hands over your knees. So you're grounding yourself into your body. And just together, let's close our eyes. Gently listening to the sound of my voice. And just feel where your body is now. How is your pulse? Is it shallow? Is it fast? Can you feel your heart beat? And take a moment to shift your focus to your belly. Let everything go, let it be soft and be gentle with yourself. Just focusing on it expanding and compressing with every breath that you take. And now shift your focus to your sit bones. Imagine that you're melting into your seat, that they are firmly grounding you into the chair, the floor, your mat, your bed. And in this moment of presence, imagine that you have like a little energy ball, and this ball is gonna move from your tailbone all the way up through your lower back, moving up in between your shoulder blades, continuing through the top of your neck and going out through the top of your head, elongating your spine, feeling yourself being supported, feeling yourself being tall. And shift your focus to your shoulders and feel how heavy they are. Let them be heavy. Let them relax gently. And together, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale through your nose and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling that breath connecting you to your body even more. Put one hand over your heart and another hand over your belly. And feel how this physical touch of your palms against your body is grounding you even more. You can feel your belly expanding and contracting. You can feel your rib cage lifting and lowering. You can probably even feel your heart beating. So take a moment here and let's start by feeling that belly. Feel the movement that it's doing when you're breathing together with your body. And don't try and control it, just let it be natural. Put both hands on your ribs, under your chest. Feeling how the rib cage is expanding, how it's compressing, how it lifts and lowers with every breath you take. And let's stay here for a little moment and just feel it. Feel that movement connecting with your breath. And now put both hands over your heart. Take a moment to see if you can feel your heartbeat. And with this physical touch, see if you can ground yourself into your heart. Connect with the deepest walls in your heart. See what that heart is telling you. Is it sharing a story with you? Try to listen. Try to feel it and try to understand. And take a little moment here for yourself. And again, don't control. Just let it be. Be in the now. Now gently set an intention for yourself. An intention can be an energy level, it can be a specific goal, it can be a feeling, something that you want for yourself. Something that stems from the deepest walls in your heart. Your truest expression of your inner self coming into light. Take a deep breath, inhale. And exhale through your mouth. Let go of your hands. Place them back on your knees or your thighs or on this side of your body. And let's take 3 heavy breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And last one, inhale. And exhale. And now gently open your eyes. Take in the room, the light, everything that is around you. Bring those arms a little bit to the side, bring those arms up, and just gently wiggle a little bit from side to side, stretching. And go out, live your intention. And remember, it only takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes to listen and ground yourself. Thank you.